All right, so we're done on the top. We just have to do the ridge vent, but that is not here yet. We did our ridge caps. Got a little extra material up here, but we just blew it off, and I'm just gonna show you here. Let me. So it's been really smoky out today. I've had to wear a respirator all day. But what we've done is we snapped a line going up this so it's straight. Some of the Mexican crews across the street, if you look at all these houses, their ridge caps are crooked, and anywhere where there's a straight line, you want to make sure that stuff is lined up nice. I mean, most people don't notice, but builders do. So this just calls for 2 nails. Line it up right on your line. And this is like the icing on the cake. Just line it up right here with our line. 1 nail, 2 nail. And then you just ladder your way up. So I had to wear the respirator today though because I almost passed out. The smoke's been getting to me. I got all dizzy up here. I had to go lie down for a little bit.
I was up here on my own.
Yeah. Taylor did a whole section on his own.
Poor roof.
Poor roof. No, it was good.